Okay, as before part one, I showed you already how to connect to database. So as this part two, I want to show you is create MySQL table using MySQLize. Yes. Yes, right now this is the code that you want to write by yourself. So yes, or you can follow me. Okay, right now I create the file create tables. Okay, right now we create table.php. We include the connection and close dot connection connection.php. Okay, this is the table code. Here we go to the code. Okay, this is the code. So we skip the create connection because we include already. So I use command xqr to create table. Okay, we create variable to extend from create table. Yes, create tables and table name my guess. Yes, in the curly phrase we want to yes id int. Yes, we input the lane number 6 and unsigned auto increment. Increment primary keys. First name varchar and last name varchar. Timestamp. Case we check connection is con for each xqr. Truth. Case we write code already. We go to the browser. Okay, I click the create table. Show error create table, no database. Okay, and I will go to the connection because we forget as the connection. We add the database name, db name. Yes, db name refer to the mydb. Okay. MyDB. Yes. So in the last password, yeah, the next password we add the DB name like this. Okay, I sales. Yes, so the create table.php again, and I want to the browser. We refresh. Yes. So message so table my guest created successfully. So we refresh database. Okay, this is the my guest table that we created already from the coding. Yeah, from the coding. Okay, as this chapter 2 I finish. So the next time we meet, you meet with me the part 3 how to insert database into database. Okay, thank you.